Hello everyone, today we are going to make some food for stray cats during the flood season. Stray cats face significant challenges during heavy rain and flooding. Here are the issues they encounter, and they might not cope, so only us come over to help them. Stray cats often seek refuge under cars, in bushes, or in abandoned buildings. However, these places might not provide complete protection from the elements. Prolonged exposure to rain can lead to hypothermia, particularly if temperatures. Rain can wash away or spoil food sources, making it harder for stray cats. To many small animals and insects that cats might hunt are less active during heavy rains. Sudden floods can displace cats from their familiar territories, making it difficult for them to navigate and find safety. We are Animal Rescue may attempt to rescue and provide temporary shelter for stray cats during extreme weather conditions. We care for stray cat populations, providing food, shelter, and medical care when needed. Stray cats rely on their instincts to find the best possible shelter and avoid hazards. They're generally adept at finding dry areas and avoiding deeper waters. During prolonged bad weather, cats may shift their behavior patterns, becoming more nocturnal or hiding more frequently to avoid the worst conditions. In conclusion, while stray cats have some natural instincts that help them cope with adverse weather, heavy rain and flooding present significant survival challenges. Both the individual and we making this video to efforts and expect to let you guys know how is the life of stray cats and supporting stray cats through these tough times. Hello Mia Discovery family. Thank you so much for watching our video. Your support truly means the world to us. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update from us. Hit that notification bell too, so you'll be the first to know when we post something new. Stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.